Hi there everybody, on this video I have this Nissan Micra 2012. This is a K13 and I'm just going to show you the location of the color code. So if you get your bonnet open here, once you flick the bonnet from the inside, you need to move this little thing here in order to release the bonnet. And then obviously you're going to put this little bar that will be sitting here to hold the bonnet open. And then if you just look down here in this plate, you will find the color code where it says, in this case, B51. It says there color and trim. So the color will be those three first letters. And that's pretty much it. So it's an easy one to find. So I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.